Hello student, this is another question which is common in exam. What is given here? Sine theta. You will start with always LHS because LHS you can simplify left hand side to reach to RHS, right? So let us start with LHS. So first you will write on LHS which is equals to here sine theta minus cos theta plus 1 by here sine theta plus cos theta minus 1, right? Now if you will see, because I need to use here identity, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, second theta. Now I see the terms in numerator and denominator in terms of sine theta cos theta. So you should know that sec theta you get it when you are dividing by cos theta, and you get tan theta also when your denominator sine theta is divided by cos theta or your denominator is cos theta. Now what can I do here? This kind of question you need to convert your terms into sine second tan. So what do I do? Remember this, you need denominator cos theta to get sec, right? So what do I do here? Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta to get sec theta and tan. Now each term will be divided by these values, right? That means numerator first term will be divided by cos theta, second term is cos theta in the numerator, that will also will get divided by cos theta, and third term also will be divided by cos theta. Remember every term, not only the first term. Similarly, whatever we do it in the numerator, we have to repeat in the denominator. That means every term is going to get divided by cos theta, right? So this is the first step. Same kind of question you get it for cot and cosec also. To convert right hand side, if it is cosec or cot, you will divide by sine theta. Now here divide by cos theta by minus 1 by cos theta, right? Now you know that because sine theta by cos theta, it is tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta. Now the reasons also you have to write down whatever the rule is there. This is tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Correct? What is the reason we can write down here? Sin theta by cos theta is 1 and 1 by cos theta. Sorry, sin theta by tan cos theta, it is tan theta, not 1, right? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, the identity will be 1, that we are not using it here. So sine theta by cos theta, it is tan theta, and 1 by cos theta, it is nothing but sec theta, right? So whatever you are using, please keep writing it. Now I have to use the identity 1 plus tan square theta as 6 theta, but if you will see the first term, they are not in square form, so I can't use identity for these terms, but I can use identity in place of 1 because we must use the identity. So how we will continue here? I rearrange these terms. Can I write down this as sec theta? Because what is the identity? I have to remember what is the other form, a square minus b form. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Now if you'll see here, sec theta has come before tan theta, and this is addition, so I can rearrange. So I'll write down sec theta plus tan theta in one bracket minus, in place of 1 in the bracket I can write down here sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? By, remember, in these kind of question you never simplify the denominator. You are not going to substitute the value of 1 because you know that it will get cancelled. So this is sec theta as it is, right? Now how will I do the simplification? I can see that my second bracket in the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square identity? A plus b times a minus b. So this identity we are going to use here. So how do we use it here? So first bracket as it is, sec theta plus tan theta minus u square bracket, because they will be using, you are going to expand it in a square minus b square form, sec theta plus tan theta times sec theta minus tan theta right, by 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. Correct? Now, how are we going to do it after that? Still now I am having in the numerator value. So, do you see now sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta are there in both the terms. So, let us take those two binomial values outside. So, sec theta plus tan theta, it is do the factorization. So, that factor you take it outside. So, in the first place, what will be left? 1 minus what is left here, this term sec theta minus tan theta. So you'll write down here sec theta minus tan theta, right, and bracket close. Make sure when you're doing the factorization use bracket, otherwise you'll go wrong with the sign. Then denominator as it is 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta, correct. After that what happened here, I'll open the bracket, right, sec theta plus tan theta in one bracket, and if I open this bracket 1 minus, because this minus sign will distribute over both the terms, right, so 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. Right now, if you see your denominator also, you can rearrange in the same order because these values are going to get cancelled. So I can write down here 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. I am rearranging the terms with the same sign. See here, this one I brought it first before before minus sec theta will come here in this place, and tan theta I am taking it to this place. Now these two terms are having the same factor will get cancelled, and you are left with sec theta plus tan theta. Let us now see what is your RHS. Now, if I see in right hand side, I need to get sec theta plus tan theta. And did we reach to the this value here, sec theta plus tan theta? Yes, we got it. So this is nothing. You started with left hand side and you reached to right hand side. So you can write down here, therefore LHS equals to RHS. Hence proved. You have proved. How are we going to get reach to the answer, right? So hence proved at the end. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Also, keep practicing.